Hello student, today the lesson is average and we can start this lesson. First we know about this lesson, how this is the more important and which types of question you have in the question in examination. So you can see here first the important something. You listen carefully. Importance, concept, concept of average is a basic concept of arithmetic and it's important and is important to solve many chapters, especially average question. Questions are regularly asked in class 7th to 10th or upper class. In 7th to 10th is basic level questions, and when we upper in class, then we started to high level to middle level to high level. Okay, so we can started this question, and first you know which types of question in their average. Scope of this question. So we know about this lesson which types of question you can create in this chapter. First asked question include average, age, means first is age base, average, income base, average, marks, distance, arithmetic, means of question, means of number, increase or decrease in decrease in average, minimum or maximum, scope, quantities, numbers for certain average. Tabulation based frequency based arithmetic means are also asked. Okay, so we can started these types of question in next video. First you know about this, what is the scope of this question. So question asks in including average base, age base, income base, marks, distance, arithmetic numbers, increasing, decreasing, maximum, minimum scope, quantities, number for the certain. So these types of question we can create in next videos. Okay, so we can ask also the rules. So first rule number 1 is, सो फर्स्ट रूल क्या है? फर्स्ट रूल पहले हम लोग देखते हैं कि फर्स्ट एवरेज ऑफ टू और मोर नंबर्स क्वांटिटीज is called the mean of these number, which given is given by, first is average formula. What is the formula? तो formula is sum of observation and quantities by number of observation and quantities. This is the rule number 1. And the another is, or you write here, or average of the number. So what is the formula? The formula is x1 plus x2 plus, here we write here, and last is xn divided by n. Okay, and my second rule is, in the class we can ask only for the rules or importance. In another class we can also the solving questions basics to high level. So we can start rule number 2. Rule number 2 is, if the given observation x are occurring with certain frequency A, then the average formula is, we can create the formula A1 x1 plus A2 x2 plus an xn by x1 plus x2 plus sn. This is your formula, where A1 comma A2 comma A3 and last is an are the frequency. Okay, I hope you can understand. And the rule number 3, we can discuss about the 6 or 7 rule in this class. This rule is very important to solve your questions. So you can see and read carefully these types of question or rules. Okay, this third rule is rule number 3. the average of an consecutive natural number starting from I, then the average of 1, 2, 3 and n, means n plus 1 by 2. This is your formula. And next is rule number 4. The average of sequence square of n consecutive natural number starting from I, 1. Then the average is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square and x square and n plus 1 and 2 n plus 1 and by 6. Okay. Again we write here rule number 5. Rule number 5. The average of Q of first and consecutive natural number then the average is of, then Q, we can say cube here, so we write here 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube and this types of n cube, and the formula is n plus 1 then square by 1. And the last rule is, we can discuss about the rule number 6 and this is the last rule, and next class we can discuss another rule, and also we do some questions, simple level questions. Okay. Now the 6th rule is, the average of first and consecutive even natural number, then the average is 2, 4, this is your even number, 2, 4, 6, 8, this type, then n 2 and n plus 1. This is your average formula. Okay. I hope you understand it in this class. Next time I will teach you in detailed way about average, and also we do basic level to high level questions. If you interested my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment in my chat box too. I will clear your doubts. Thank you.